Janisha John here for Black Hollywood Live, and I'm joined by this beautiful lady. You guys know her, Latoya Luckett, and she's new here on the Rosewood cast. How does it feel to be on board?
I'm excited. Love this haircut.
I'm watching yours.
Lay that down in the back.
Yeah,
yes. I'm excited to be a part of this cast, and I love my character that I'm playing.
Tell us about her.
Tanya.
Yes.
Tanya. She's a lovely person with a lovely heart. She's optimistic about life, even when stuff gets crazy and things aren't going right. I love the way she keeps her head up. And sometimes, we go through life and stuff happens and we get down, and she's found a way to really just stay optimistic about things.
Love it. Now I know Rosie plays sort of the same optimist.
Yes.
And the first season, this season he mentioned that he's going to be a little different. So do you bring that element back? Like, I guess maybe you're there to balance him out?
I think I do. I think I help to balance him out. And I think that that's what our characters, really like about each other. We have those kindred spirits where we're like, oh yeah, oh, life, and it's not so bad after all. And I think that we should all kind of take a lesson from Tanya and Rosie in that, especially with the world that we live in today. Listen, it's crazy. But you have to, through it all, just stay positive. As long as you keep waking up every morning, that means you're supposed to be here. And it's what you do with your 24 hours. It's what you do with your days. It's how your attitude towards whatever that situation might be. That's what that's what speaks the most.
Okay. Now, keeping it positive, you bring sort of like you are intelligent but sophisticated but well-accomplished lady on the show. But there's another one on the show, Via. What's the relationship between you and her on this season?
Well, no, I'm playing.
No shade.
I'm pretty sure she has some feelings about me, but sweetie, just keep it cute. You know what I mean? Just keep it cute. As long as you keep it cute, I'll keep it cute. No, man.
Now, I do have to say, we are sitting right now in Rosie's bedroom, and I heard a lot of steamy stuff goes on here. Anything you can share?
Well, don't he got some nice shoulders?
He got nice everything. I'm just saying.
She said it, I didn't. I am trying to stay professional.
I'll take it.
But he is blessed. He is blessed with some nice features that I'm sure his lovely wife gets to enjoy. Yeah. I am just a make-believe girlfriend, and I keep my cool when I'm around him. I do.
No, but on the show, speaking of wife, it's pretty much you play a strong love interest in his life. Yeah. Is our wedding bells or whatever?
I mean, y'all gonna have to keep watching. Y'all have to keep watching. Okay. I think that Rosie sees something different in her, and I think that he does see qualities of a wife in her. Now, what he decides to do with that is up to him.
I know everyone's been calling this season sexy.
Really?
They've been saying this is the sexy one. So, I mean, how else would you describe this season?
You know what? Like the first season, it's very, it does a lot. It moves around. It keeps your interest. And it's shot very well. The writing's great. Like, I love a good show, and that's what this is. I think that there's, just like Rosie is all about his family, I think, especially bringing my family in now, my daughter Kayla and I think that, it's just a well-rounded show. Now, is it sexy? Well, look at the case. Look at Marcia. Well,
look at yourself.
I mean, I'm just out here trying to live my life. But it's in Miami. How can it not be sexy? Everything in Miami is sexy. Even the Zika. The Zika. I wonder if any of our characters get bit by the Zika.
I hope not.
That is not funny.
No.
I pray for everybody, and I pray for your healing, whoever has been touched by that disease. I just, look, I'm not going nowhere near Florida or anywhere else right now.
No Zika virus for her.
Spray it off, baby. Spray it all over. You just sleep in off, because I don't want no parts of Zika.
Speaking of spraying, you smell amazing. They can't smell you through the camera, but it smells great. What? You're wearing something that's your own. Talk to me about that.
It's my little production. And I normally don't even tell people. Let me be honest with y'all, I got hand cream on, okay? I was in my trailer, I couldn't find no other lotion. Only other lotion I had was this hand cream, and it's thick. That's why I'm shining like this, okay? And it's by Jo Malone. Now I sprayed my little spray on, my little perfume that I just got at Barney's, and I'm excited about it because everybody keeps saying I smell good. I don't know the name of the brand. I just know it got to do something with some flowers, all right? It got a black top on it, it's about that tall. I guess I'm gonna keep it around because everybody keeps saying it's not good. Yes. So it's the hand cream. That's all I didn't know if hand cream was meant for the legs, but I got it on there.
You got it on there. No, it works. You're fine.
All right. It got a little shine to it, a little shimmers, a little glisten. So that's what we're doing.
Definitely. Now, we all know you're not just an actress. You're also a very talented singer.
Thank you.
Love your music. Are you working on any music right now?
Child, this album is done. Y'all hear me when I say this? All right, I'm done with it, Anime. I'm done with it, and I'm not playing no more this year. It's coming out. All right, I know I've been saying it for 6 years. I know I done let go of that long time ago. But listen, it's coming out this year, and I hope you guys support it. And I will be releasing my single within the next month or so. And that's for real talk, y'all.
Nice.
That's for real.
Any titles? Anything you can spill about it? Or anything?
No. Just stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. It's coming at you. It's coming soon.
Busy. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna let you go soon. I just want to know in 5 words. Describe the season. Describe what we can expect.
Well, you done said 6 of them already. Sexy, steamy, family. How many is that? You
3.
count?
That's 3.
That's 3. I got 2 more.
Yeah.
Sweaty.
Ooh. I like that one. One more. Chocolate. All kinds of shades, all kinds of chocolate.
All kinds of chocolate, honey. Dark milk, whatever you want, child. The caramel too.
Listen, I think she gave you all the reasons to tune in.
You got to.
Every week.
Especially because it's sweaty.
Well, Toya, thank you so much. You're amazing. We're looking forward to seeing you this season.
Thank you so much.